Oh, what the fuck? Twice a year, this very specific phenomenon happens. And that is when a full moon rises while a sunset is happening. And we're just an hour away from that occurring. And so I want to try to document that moment on brand new Mavic 4 Pro from DJI. Look at this thing, it's got 3 freaking cameras on it. Are you kidding me? I feel like I say this every year, but the advancement in drone technology in the last decade is honestly just mind-blowing. Oh, sometimes I really take for granted how beautiful my own backyard is. Now, there's a very specific shot I want to get that's only possible with this drone, specifically with the telephoto or zoom lens on this drone. So if we cut across here, how's it? This is the telephoto lens, and it's pretty zoomed in. And as you can tell, the mountain behind me is pretty big, right? But if we zoom out, and if we zoom out now, this is the medium shot. This is similar to what I have on my Air 3. And then this is the wide shot. This is what most drones have. This is pretty standard and great for landscapes. But as you can see, one drone capturing 3 completely different shots with these different focal lengths, and you can do a lot with these things. Look how sick this is. This is the telephoto lens, and then I'm just gonna send the drone up. I'm gonna send the drone up right now and watch what appears behind me. Are you kidding me? This is insane. This is, oh my goodness. That is mental. Now this is the same shot, just in the medium lens. Still really cool, makes the mountain look nice and big behind me. I think I'd probably end up using this one almost a bit more. And we're back on the wide. Let's switch over to normal. And so the plan would be to have somebody walking along here in about an hour's time while the full moon is coming up. And because the landscape is so compressed, the full moon should appear almost the same size as the person. That's what I'm hoping for. It's gonna be pretty nuts. A shot like this was never possible with any other drone. And because of the telephoto lens, you can make something far away appear a lot bigger or closer to you. And it just creates a completely different feel for a drone. I really like it. I think it's definitely a bit of a novelty. I've always been a fan of wide shots, but this really is something else. Unbelievable. This is not a tech review, but one of the sickest things about this new remote is this massive screen. But when you rotate it vertically, the gimbal rotates as well. So now you can shoot in portrait on the Mavic 4 Pro, something I believe you could never do. You could do it on the first ever Mavic Pro. I bought that drone, you could do it on that one. You couldn't do it on the Mavic 2, you couldn't do it on the Mavic 3. Now you can do it on the Mavic 4. It does have some limitations, but this is not a tech review and this is just insane. Wow, it's like a cowboy movie. If I go down. So this is kind of the shot I want to get, except with the moon. So I think this is going to be way better at sunset. I think we'll see the sun a little bit better, but this is the type of shot. I kind of wish I could backflip right now, because this would be nuts. We do a little running man. Wow, freeze frame. OG Instagrammers will know all about this. This is so funny. It is 6:30 something. So technically the moon should be rising. Oh, I can see it, it's about to come up. That's so sick. There's a bit of clouds, but I think we can get it. Let me pop this extra battery in and get in the air, because we've got about 15-20 minutes to capture this. Wow, check the plane. Holy shit. Wait, oh my God. Wait, let me try to get this. Maybe that. Oh my God, where is it? Where is it? Ah, come on. Where is it? No, hold on. Come on. There it is, there it is, there it is. Hold on. If I go like that, it should fly into the path. Oh, what the fuck? Are you kidding me? Oh my God.
Holy shit.
That was unreal. Holy shit.
Guys, the moon though.
Yeah, fuck. Oh my God. Okay. Here comes the moon. It's showtime. Wow. Oh my gosh. Well, we should all go stand there.
Oh my God, that's so cool. Shit, that's so sick.
was insane.